Hey everyone, if you're trying to log into resume.com but it's not working, like wrong password error, loading issues, or login button not responding, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix resume.com login problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop the login page from loading properly. Next, carefully re-enter your email and password. Small typing mistakes are very common and can block login access. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password and reset it. You'll receive a reset link in your email to create a new password. Clear your browser cache. Old stored data can interfere with the login system and cause errors. Try using another browser like Chrome or Edge. Sometimes the problem is related to the browser you are using. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers. These can block login scripts or prevent buttons from working properly. Also check if the website servers are down. If resume.com is experiencing downtime, you will need to wait until it is fixed. So, yeah, those are the best ways to fix resume.com login problems. Follow each step carefully, and you should be able to log in successfully again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy fixes.